We on 7.2 express the half angle formula. For example 7, number 2. We look at number 2, the question asking us to show that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. First we look at the angle. Here is x over 2 and here is x. So this one, the right hand side, the angle is bigger than the left hand side. So I choose the right hand side to start with. So we have right hand side we have tangent x minus sine x over 2 tangent x. We are going to reduce this angle to the half. First we extract sine x over cos x over sine x over cos x. Why we do this? Because we know the left hand side is sine, so everything must be in sine. So tangent we reduce to the sine. Okay, and we make it the denominator the same. So we will having this one cos x over cos x divide by this. Okay, in short, we know this one can be cancelled off. And lastly, we will left with sine x minus sine x cos x over 2 sine x. Then we are going to proceed here. We continue. We can see here there is a sine x here and there is sine x here. We are going to factorize it out, so it will become, factorize the sine, and then we are going to have 1 minus cos x in the bracket over 2 sine x. Okay, and we look at here, there is a sine x here and there is sine x here, so we can cancel it. It becomes 1. And we're left with 1 minus cos x over 2. But bear in mind, this is not the final answer. We want the sine squared and the angle must be half x over 2. But we still have x, not yet the x power x over 2. So we think we need to use the half angle formula, which is this one. Cos A equal to 1 minus 2 sine. We need to choose the sine one because the cos double angle or cos half angle have 3 choices, so we choose this one. We substitute the cos x with this whole thing, so we will have 1 minus 2 sine, and the A will become the x as we have x here over 2. We simplified this one, 1 minus, open the bracket, so 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine squared x over 2. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so we will left with over 2, and this can be cancelled off because it's divide. So lastly, we have sine squared x over 2, which is this one, just like the left hand side. So lastly, therefore, we already proved left hand side is equal to right hand side, where sine squared x over 2 just equal to tangent x minus sine x over 2 tangent x. So finish. So that's all.